Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, ngicela subscribe. And so guys, kuthiwa uSabelo was shot. So guys, Maroto group member guys, Sabelo Zuma, no one more popular as Uzuma, is reported to be recovering guys as Bedlela after surviving a gunshot wound after the minibus guys that he was traveling in came under fire. Like ziyabuya mzansi guys. You can come to think of it ukuthi what really happened ukuthi like kube nama gunshot, and worst part, it has been said that this thing happened during the day. So guys, it has been said that a source close to the Mapiano sensation confirmed that he is in a stable condition, and he also went on to say that all we know is that he got a short broad light, and we don't know what was going on, but we are glad he's still alive and nursing his bullet. So guys, I got go bed. So people guys went on to wishing him a speedy recovery. And the other one guys by the name of Melo Twitter. It's crazy how this could go deep. I mean, why was their vehicle targeted? Why? Oh, was he the target or not? I have a lot of questions, please. Like, I understand this question, and obviously, I think a lot of people are asking what exactly is happening. And we're just wishing him a speedy recovery, and hopefully, God will protect him throughout this whole thing. Please, guys, do comment below, and please, guys, do subscribe.